Hey everyone, it is raining here in Stuttgart, but that's not going to put a damper on my visit to the Porsche Museum. I'm actually here. It's like a huge complex and lots of stuff to see. So hoping that the museum is open today, and I'm going to jump in and have a look and maybe even scan some cars. So we'll see. Okay, I'm being a total tourist here at the Porsche Museum. I've got my multimedia guide and been going through all the exhibits. If you're interested in cars, you like engineering, you like design, you're going to love this place. It's almost like a chronological history of engineering, design, and even art to some extent. So I'm going to keep looking around a little bit, and then I got to head out